What is a savings account?
A savings account is a type of bank account for depositing money and earning interest, primarily designed for saving rather than frequent transactions.
What is the role of a bank teller?
A bank teller is responsible for assisting customers with routine financial transactions, such as deposits, withdrawals, and providing information about account balances.
What does APR stand for in the context of banking?
APR stands for annual percentage rate, representing the total cost of borrowing over a year, including interest and fees.
What is online banking?
Online banking is a service that allows customers to perform financial transactions, check account balances, and manage accounts through the internet, using a bank's website or mobile app.
What is a credit score?
A credit score is a numerical representation of a person's creditworthiness based on their credit history and financial behavior.
How does compound interest work in a savings account?
Compound interest is the interest calculated on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods, resulting in exponential growth of the account balance over time.
What is a mortgage loan?
A mortgage loan is a type of loan used to finance the purchase of real estate, with the property itself serving as collateral.
What is a checking account?
A checking account is a type of bank account that allows frequent deposits and withdrawals, often used for everyday transactions such as paying bills and making purchases.
What is the Federal Reserve?
The Federal Reserve, often referred to as the Fed, is the central banking system of the United States, responsible for monetary policy and regulating banks.
What is a 401k account?
A 401k account is a retirement savings plan sponsored by an employer, allowing employees to contribute a portion of their salary on a pre-tax basis.
What is a wire transfer?
A wire transfer is a method of electronic funds transfer from one person or institution to another, typically used for large transactions or international transfers.
What is the role of a financial advisor?
A financial advisor provides guidance on investment strategies, financial planning, and helps clients achieve their financial goals.
What is a CD, certificate of deposit?
A certificate of deposit CD is a time deposit with a fixed term and interest rate, typically higher than regular savings accounts, but funds cannot be withdrawn without penalty until the maturity date.
What is the FDIC?
The FDIC Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation is a U.S. government agency that insures deposits in banks and thrifts, providing a level of protection for depositors in case of bank failure.
What is a personal loan?
A personal loan is an unsecured loan that individuals can use for various purposes, such as debt consolidation, home improvements, or unexpected expenses.
What is the purpose of a notary public in banking?
A notary public in banking verifies the authenticity of signatures on legal documents, such as loan agreements and powers of attorney, to prevent fraud.
What is the role of a loan officer?
A loan officer evaluates loan applications, determines the creditworthiness of applicants, and makes recommendations for approval or denial of loans.
What is an ATM?
An ATM automated teller machine is an electronic banking device that allows customers to perform basic transactions, such as withdrawing cash and checking account balances outside of bank branches.
What is a cashier's check?
A cashier's check is a check issued by a bank, drawn on its own funds, and signed by a cashier or teller, providing a secure form of payment.
What is a home equity loan?
A home equity loan is a type of loan that allows homeowners to borrow against the equity in their homes, using the property as collateral.
What is a debit card?
A debit card is a payment card that deducts money directly from a checking account to pay for purchases, eliminating the need for cash or checks.
What is the purpose of a financial statement?
A financial statement provides a summary of a person's or business's financial position, including income, expenses, assets, and liabilities.
What is a money market account?
A money market account is a type of interest-bearing account that typically offers higher interest, or ATS, than regular savings accounts, while allowing limited check-writing privileges.
What is the difference between a credit union and a bank?
The difference between a credit union and a bank is that credit unions are member-owned cooperatives, and profits are returned to members in the form of lower fees and better interest rates.
What is a joint account?
A joint account is a bank account held by two or more individuals who share equal access and responsibilities for the account.
How does overdraft protection work?
Overdraft protection is a service that prevents transactions from being declined when an account has insufficient funds by covering the overdraft with a linked account or line of credit.
What is a 529 plan?
A 529 plan is a tax-advantaged savings plan designed to encourage saving for future education costs, allowing funds to grow and be withdrawn tax-free when used for qualified education expenses.
What is the role of a credit analyst?
A credit analyst assesses the creditworthiness of individuals or businesses by analyzing financial data, credit reports, and other relevant information.
What is a foreclosure?
Foreclosure is a legal process through which a lender repossesses a property when the borrower fails to make mortgage payments, typically leading to the sale of the property to recover the outstanding debt.
What is a grace period on a credit card?
A grace period on a credit card is the time between the end of a billing cycle and the due date for payment, during which no interest is charged on new purchases if the balance is paid in full.
What is identity theft protection?
Identity theft protection is a service that helps individuals safeguard their personal information and financial accounts from theft and fraudulent activities.
How does a home refinance work?
Home refinancing involves obtaining a new mortgage with more favorable terms to replace an existing mortgage, often done to secure a lower interest rate or change the loan term.
What is the role of the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission?
The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) regulates the securities markets and protects investors, overseeing financial disclosures and enforcing securities laws.
What is a Roth IRA?
A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that allows contributions to be made with after-tax dollars, and qualified withdrawals, including earnings, are tax-free.
What is a cashier's window in a bank?
A cashier's window is a designated area in a bank where customers can conduct transactions with a bank teller, such as depositing or withdrawing money.
What is a SWIFT code used for in banking?
A SWIFT code is a unique identification code used in international banking to facilitate the transfer of money between banks, ensuring the accurate routing of funds.
What is the purpose of a financial planner?
A financial planner helps individuals and businesses create comprehensive financial plans, providing advice on budgeting, investing, retirement planning, and estate planning.
What is the difference between a secured and unsecured loan?
The difference between a secured and unsecured loan is that a secured loan is backed by collateral, such as a home or car, while an unsecured loan does not require collateral and is based on the borrower's creditworthiness.
What is a credit limit on a credit card?
A credit limit on a credit card is the maximum amount a cardholder can borrow, representing the total allowable balance on the card.
What is a FICO score?
A FICO score is a credit score developed by the Fair Isaac Corporation, widely used by lenders to assess an individual's credit risk and determine interest rates on loans.
How does a fixed-rate mortgage differ from an adjustable-rate mortgage?
A fixed-rate mortgage has a stable interest rate and monthly payments throughout the loan term, while an adjustable-rate mortgage may have fluctuating interest rates based on market conditions.
What is the role of the CFPB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau?
The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau (CFPB) oversees consumer financial products and services, ensuring fair treatment and transparency in the financial industry.
What is a wire transfer fee?
A wire transfer fee is a charge imposed by banks for the electronic transfer of funds between accounts, either domestically or internationally.
What is a subprime mortgage?
A subprime mortgage is a type of mortgage loan offered to individuals with poor credit, often carrying higher interest rates due to the increased risk.
What is a mutual fund?
A mutual fund is an investment vehicle that pools money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities.
How does a 401k match work?
A 401k match is an employer's contribution to an employee's retirement savings account, typically based on the employee's own contributions, up to a certain percentage of their salary.
What is a charge-off on a credit report?
A charge-off on a credit report occurs when a creditor writes off a debt as uncollectible, usually after several months of non-payment.
What is a home equity line of credit, HELOC?
A home equity line of credit, HELOC, is a revolving line of credit secured by a homeowner's equity, allowing them to borrow funds as needed and repay over time.
How does mobile banking enhance customer convenience?
Mobile banking enhances customer convenience by enabling them to perform banking transactions using their smartphones, providing convenient access to account information, fund transfers, and mobile check deposits.
What is the role of the IMF, International Monetary Fund?
The International Monetary Fund (IMF) is an international organization that provides financial assistance, economic analysis, and policy advice to member countries, promoting global monetary cooperation and stability.